It starts like this. You spend lots of time recording your short video, then you spend even more time editing your short. In this video, I will show you how to edit your YouTube short thumbnail even after you've already published it. Let's jump right in. With this method, you can upload directly from your desktop. However, you will need to have the YouTube app on your phone. Alright, as you can see here in YouTube Studio, you can change the thumbnail on your YouTube mobile app. So we're gonna head over there now, and I'm just looking at a video that short that I recently uploaded, and I'm gonna click into that, and I'm gonna click edit, the three dots. This will allow me to go into the editor, and then I'll click that little pencil mark, and now I can select the thumbnail for that short. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll save it, and then we can go back to YouTube, and you'll see that that thumbnail is now saved. So we'll save that there. I'll head over, and you can see the thumbnail has already been updated. So this really opens a lot of doors. You can do this for stuff that has already been uploaded. So you can go back for shorts that you've already uploaded and make those adjustments. So guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please consider giving me a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.